Alright, hey guys, welcome back to Trainer Joe's online personal training. Listen, are you ready to smash some goals and get that lean, healthy body you've always wanted? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into the top 5 mistakes people make with their exercise routines and how you can avoid them. That's right, we're gonna help you maximize your workouts, get the most out of your time, and keep those gains coming. Okay, mistake number 1, skipping warm-ups. We've all been there, right? You're short on time, you just want to get that workout done. But trust me, my friends, warming up is crucial. It's like getting your engine revved up for a big race. It helps prevent injuries by increasing blood flow to your muscles and loosening up those joints. Plus, it mentally prepares you for the workout ahead so you can push harder and get better results. Next up, we've got poor form. Now this one's a biggie. You might think you're doing an exercise correctly, but even a slight tweak in your form can make all the difference. Bad form not only reduces the effectiveness of your workout, but it also puts you at risk of injury. And nobody wants that, so remember, focus on quality over quantity. It's better to do fewer reps with perfect form than loads of reps with sloppy technique.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually
Chapter
volunteer
3.
for this?
Don't be a creature of habit. Mistake number 3 is not varying your workouts. Listen, doing the same routine day in and day out is a one-way ticket to snoozeville. Not only will you get bored, but your body will adapt, and you'll hit a plateau. Keep your muscles guessing, keep your mind engaged, and keep seeing those amazing results. Mix it up with some height, some strength training, maybe even a bit of yoga. There are so many options out there, so find what you enjoy and keep things fresh. Chapter 4. Rest up. Now this next mistake might surprise you. Overtraining. More is not always better, my friends. Your body needs time to recover and rebuild muscle after a tough workout. Pushing yourself too hard without enough rest can lead to burnout, injuries, and even set you back in your fitness journey. So listen to your body, take those rest days, and come back stronger. Imagine transforming your living room into a high-energy fitness studio. Welcome to Trainer Joe's. At Trainer Joe's, we believe in making fitness accessible to everyone, no matter where you are or what equipment you have. Our online workouts are designed to be effective with minimal equipment, so you can get a great workout in the comfort of your own home. Whether you have a set of dumbbells, a resistance band, or just your body weight, we've got you covered. Our expert trainers have crafted routines that maximize efficiency and results, ensuring you get the most out of every session. You don't need a fancy gym or expensive gear to achieve your fitness goals. Join us and discover how easy and convenient it is to stay fit and healthy with Trainer Joe's online personal training. With our guidance, you can transform any space into your personal fitness hub. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get moving. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Trainer Joe's for more tips and workouts. Let's achieve greatness together. Go to trainajos.com to book a free complimentary session today.